How do you feel about becoming a full-on drag queen?
Full on?
Full on.
Jesus Christ. Nervous. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Rob and Corinne here. You're watching Man vs. MakeUp?
Wow.
Is that what she f***ing said?
I'd like to see Corinne do this to Rob.
Challenge. Man versus makeup.
God damn it, Ben.
I think it was a great challenge suggestion. We have glue sticks, hair wax.
What do we need that for?
It says for legs, body, and face. You got some hair here.
I haven't shaved this ever since it grew in. I don't think you've ever even seen me without this.
It's a weird beard in the first place. I just gotta throw that out there.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
Hair removal kit. I brought the tweezers so we can tweeze your eyebrows a little before we glue them down with a glue stick. So I got these fake nails for you.
Are they pointed?
They're pointy, like little witch
Oh,
nails.
shit.
Isn't that fun?
I am gonna be a fierce bitch.
You are. Also, Christine sent us a mysterious package. What do we got? Ooh,
It's a lot of nail polish.
We got Christine Originals nail oil pins.
What is nail oil?
Watch a video. Do you even watch your friends' videos?
Yeah, I mean, not the nail ones.
Ooh, look at this.
Oh, that's some fun lacquer.
Lacquer? I barely know her. Okay, so it says, "Hello, Corinne. Your nails need these." I feel like that's a little bit of
Damn.
T right there. That's fine.
Christine with no H. Why would she write that?
She owns these cat stickers. When you have cat stickers ready to go of all your friends' cats, that's how you know she's a real cat bitch. All right, this is all good. So you want to do the black hollow. I'm gonna put the nails on you first. Here, have some nail oil.
Do I smoke this? What do I do with this?
You just put it on your cuticles here.
Ew, now my fucking hands are all oily. I thought this was a face fucking thing.
This is a drag challenge. Don't be a drag, Rob. All right, here we go.
Is that glue? How do these come off?
Oh. Oh my god, this is already hilarious.
Wait, how does this come off?
Don't worry, it'll come off.
Oh, this is already weird.
It's already weird.
We're only one thumb in, and this is real fucking weird.
Oh, you look so pretty already. Look at that. Wow.
They feel so weird, because they're attached to your nails. If they come off, is it gonna rip my fucking fingernail off? It hurts.
Well, don't do that. You don't feel fancy? You're fancy now. No? Are you gonna be able to use the bathroom and stuff? You're gonna... Yeah.
That's a thing.
Uh-huh. Christine can't do a lot of stuff because of the nails. You know
She
what I
can't
mean?
wipe her own
I
ass.
think so.
Does Ben?
He's the ass slave
Yeah.
too.
All right, what's next?
I have to paint them. Yeah. Now all we need is some glossy taco. And you got yourself some fucking face scratchers.
I got some fucking claws right now. Watch the fuck out.
Here, I have to paint your other fingers. All right.
All right.
Beautiful. Do the waxing. Remove cap and heat product in microwave for 30 seconds.
It's hot?
Yeah.
I don't know about this shit.
All right, I'll be right back. 30 seconds. Okay, here, come here. Here we go. Oh!
Ah! You got it on my goddamn tracksuit!
You ready?
No!
Okay, come here.
Ah!
Let me know.
Ah!
It's too hot. You're gonna make me pee my face. Oh my god.
It's too hot! Ah!
It's not even touching you yet.
Ah! It's hot. It's hot.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's hot. It's remaining hot.
Is it burning you?
I don't know.
You
What
ready?
the fuck is on my face?
Hold on, shh. I gotta do it quick.
Ah! What are you doing? Fuck you. Oh,
You right
God.
now.
Oh god.
Sorry. Are you ready?
No! Oh god, don't do it.
Wait, I gotta pull
Can
you.
we just
Wait.
stop all of it? Oh god. Ah!
It didn't work very well.
Is it bleeding?
No.
Get this fucking shit off my face.
Maybe we just shave instead.
Yeah, maybe we just shave instead.
All right. Drop those pants.
What?
You gotta do this area too.
No, you don't. What?
Here we go. There's some really long hairs down here. Ew. And like mole hair.
Okay, I mean, I could do this myself.
Well, you have to come down a little. It's getting all over me. Ah! Sorry. Wow. This is fun.
Blast. Holy shit. That's what my fucking bottom of my face looks like.
Sorry. This razor kind of sucks.
Yeah.
It's the one I used to shave my vagina hair.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, no wonder it's so fucking dull.
Now we move on to the actual razor.
No.
Yes.
No, this is fine.
No.
Don't put my mouth.
I'm not trying. You're moving. You're moving too much.
Ah!
Maybe stop talking.
Oh god, it feels like you're gonna slit my throat open. Ah! You're going backwards.
What?
Ah!
It looks really good.
I wouldn't say that.
I think it does.
I don't think so.
Close your eyes.
What is it?
It's.
Ah!
Stop being such a baby. God. It should feel refreshing. It's rose water and gold. It's good for your skin. Is it dry?
What the fuck?
You have to glue stick down your eyebrows so we can put foundation on top.
Ow!
What? It hurts?
Ugh.
Stop moving your eyebrows.
How much f***ing glue are you putting on?
Alrighty. We're gonna let this dry for a second.
What the fuck is that?
This is our foundation.
I mean, it's like you're like punching me lightly 1,000 times in the face.
Yes, this is how it works.
It's like my larynx. Ow! It's like you're just punching me in the nose. I look like I'm f***ing dead. This is terrible. Ah, it's close. Ah, it's uncomfortably close.
That's how it is.
What the shit? I can't see my face anymore.
Now it's the fun time. We start adding some color on your tiny cheekbones.
What the f*** is that supposed to mean?
I have really big cheekbones and I just used to like work it with a lot. I'm gonna do a little highlighter to make it really pop.
Little Cat Von D's nuts. Demonetized.
Ooh, highlighter poppin'! Ugh, like a vampire from Twilight. Gorgeous. Ooh, stunning. This is the fun part. I feel like I need to watch a tutorial before I do this.
What?
Oh, I don't have the right brushes.
What kind of
I'm not
operation
a
are you trying to run around
I'm not
here?
a beauty guru, okay? I don't know what the I'm doing. I think basically what you do, from what I've learned, is that you just go for it.
Just go for it?
Yeah. Here, close, close. Ooh, this is very pigmenty.
Jesus Christ!
Let me see the other one.
It's very itchy.
Okay, now this part is really important for you to not talk anymore. Okay. Isn't that nice? I'm blowing.
What's the color palette we're going?
Clown.
Clown!
Let me see. Raise your eyebrows. Blowing. Open. No, no, no. Yes.
What the fuck?
Okay.
Wow.
You look amazing. Okay, here we go. Close. Very nice.
Jeez. What is that?
Look up. What do you mean?
What is it? What are you doing?
Eyeshadow.
What's the shadow color?
Eat my dick.
What were you? Wow. Is that a Jeffree Star
Yeah.
color? Because that sounds like a Jeffree Star color.
It looks beautiful.
The f is that?
Eyeliner. Okay, so you want to be really scared. I mean, not
Scared?
Don't open your eyes. Don't open them.
Oh my god, it's so hard for me not to.
Don't open your eyes yet, please. Thanks. You ruined it!
What?
Don't open your eyes!
This is some nightmare shit.
We're not done yet.
Right here.
Okay, look up.
What does that look?
Now it's time for some eyebrow drawing on. This made you look really angry.
The eyebrows are big.
You just look really surprised. Time for the eyelashes. So this is it's a test of your patience and mine.
Oh yeah, look at those.
I think you look beautiful. It's starting to really come together. All right, second set of lashes, here we go. Need to do mascara.
Oh my god. Ah! What are you putting in my eyes? What is this? What are you doing? Where are you going?
Lip liner, be quiet. You really don't have any lips, do you? Never done this on a no-lipped person before. I don't think this is gonna work.
It's not funny.
All right, we'll just skip this step. This is the very first time we're using this lipstick. All right, you look like a blow-up doll.
I mean, I like the fact that I've got lips now. Huh? That's something.
I think you need a little beauty mark.
How about like 2 of them?
People only get 1 beauty mark, that's it.
That's not where I wanted it.
This is too bad.
I have a beauty mark right here.
Oh, I think that's just a mole. I can't really look at you so much. It's kind of scary.
Let's wig it up. Wig out.
Let's see what you'll look like as a brunette with cute, short, curly hair. That's a look. This is the Mother of Dragons wig.
Oh yeah. This feels right.
You have to work on that baritone there a little.
I love this one. This wig is my favorite.
No, I don't know if you should be a girl.
I don't know either.
Here, you could do something like this.
Oh, yeah. Look at this. This is,
You at a loss for words? Yeah, I think I did a pretty good job. Let me see the nails again. Wow.
starting to grow on me.
Now all we have left to do is that narcissistic beauty montage.
Oh, yeah. No, I've been working on that. I saw Ben's and I was like, come on now. I feel weird doing them while you're in the room.
I'm gonna leave.
You're gonna leave?
I don't want to watch this.
No. I don't want you to see it. Oh, yeah, work it. I'm f***ing cute. What? Give it to me. Give it to me. Yeah. All right. Well, I think our work here is done. A big shout out, a real big f***ing thank you to Simply Nailogical. Me and Ben on a drag date out on the town. That's what I'm proposing next. I'm also in desperate need of a drag queen name, so if you can think of any, leave those down in the comments below. All right, I'm gonna go remove this makeup, this wig. It's real itchy. I don't know how to take any of this off. I don't know what happens with these. Hit that subscribe button, like up this video, and I will see you around here next time with the nails and everything.